Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Dear students, good morning to everyone. In this video, I would like to explain one of the pollution concept, noise pollution and water pollution. Before that, these videos, previous videos, introduction of the pollution, environmental issues, air pollution, we complete. Okay. Then in this video, we are going with the noise pollution and water pollution. Come with the noise pollution. As usually, pollution means undesirable change or unwanted change present or happened or created by the human activities maximum, or sometimes in the natural way also there is a chances that we see. So we are starting with that word only, unwanted sound. Here we are discussing about the noise kada, noise related with sound. So here one thing want to say in this situation, here sound mean it is a here sound is transported by the wind or any medium is must be necessary. Without medium, sound cannot transform. Correct na? So it is a vibration. Sound is nothing but a vibration of vibrating wavelength. That wavelength, if it is received by any sense organ, that are hearable sense organs that we sense, we called as a sound. That sound only may be meaningful or meaningless. Okay. If it is in a proper language based, that is a meaningful, it is a communicate. What we are now, we are all hearing my voice. That voice also one of the sound, but that sound having the proper meaning. So that proper meaning communicate the some of the message to person. So that is a sound. But when the sound is unnecessary or unwanted, okay, that sound we call as a noise pollution. How you say? How to find here? When you seen that, when you hearing of any one melody song with earphones, you felt something comfortable feel. Okay. Or else you are keeping of big loudspeakers. When you are stand nearby the loudspeaker, a beginning time you feel something okay, something one type of tolerable sense is there. When the sound is more than tolerable sound, that your body will not be tolerate that sound, automatically irritation feeling will come, that and all. So why I said mean, today I am topic discussion regarding the noise pollution. That noise pollution is nothing but unwanted sound. That unwanted sound is a disturbance of the physiological or psychological activities of well-being of human being. Okay. Not only human being, some of the other animals also disturbed by these unwanted sounds. Okay. Now here that noise pollution wise our Indian government is identified the something problem, that mean unwanted sounds are creating the disturbance of the environment, okay, environment. So that's why they are one amendment did in the air pollution. Why they did in the amendment in the air pollution regarding the noise? Because of the noise and everything will be transported by the with air. Air is act as a media. Without air, that can't able to move long distance. So whatever it is. So in the Air Act, prevention and controlling of the pollution, air pollution, they did one amendment, I mean little changes in the year of the 1987. They are kept the one amendment for regarding to the noise pollution. According to that noise pollution, a particular wavelength or decibels, basically sound we calculated in the wavelength, sound and light wavelength, okay, but in the physics the measured by the sound is measured by the decibels, okay, decibels. So here according to the Noise Pollution Act under the air pollution, a human being is can able to audible the sound, the sound measurements is 0 decibels to up to 180 decibels, up to 180 decibels. If below than these 0 decibel, we can't able to hear, okay. So that is also having the something wavelength, but it can't able to hear by ours, and up to 180 we can able to tolerate, but we can be give the a proper sense reply at the decibels of the 120 decibels is a threshold. You know what is the meaning of the threshold? Threshold means nervous system study time threshold energy. By the threshold energy only the nerve impulse will be transported to a proper receptors to up to proper receiving organ, I mean brain, correct now. So that 0 decibels to 180 decibels is the measurement decibels of the audible noise, audible sound, okay. 120 is a threshold audible sound, okay. Then if more than 180, what will happen, sir? We are getting, we cannot tolerate that much of audible sounds, I mean decibel sounds, something physiological problems will cause. In the 0 degrees, I mean 0 decibels below that, that is also not at audible. But now I will tell in this situation one example. Some of the organisms, when we are in childhood, we can audible to, we can hear into a very low decibel sound itself. In child, when we are child born by after birth up to 5 years, we can hear the lot of small sounds. That is only reason when the baby is slept in the cot or any one of the instrument, I mean sorry, one of the sleeping tub, on that time suddenly the baby will wake up and then to start the crying. Why baby is getting wake upping and then crying mean, when the baby age time, we are all are having the more audible response or more hearing capacity. Very little sound also we can able to find, we can able to hear. But when we are aging slowly, aging after, our hearing capacity will decrease, that we know, okay na. So that is this is the thing, not only our body in the childhood, dogs also having the good audible sense, I mean hearing capacity. That is one and of the reason when you see in the any earthquake be started time or in the night or some of the times dogs unknowingly they are shouting very loudly, because of in the air lot of sound can able to audible heard by the dogs, so that time dogs cannot tolerate these sounds, so that's why it can show their response in their sound bowing, okay. Then that is the reason. Then now come to the concept. Here causes of the noise pollution. In the causes, what is the reasons of the noise pollution? One is the one of the reason jet planes and then rocket space centers onwards, any rocket or satellites are sending to the space, and that time heavy sound will become, heavy sound. Or when you see in the any take off or take out of the aeroplanes, these and all onwards, very biggest sound. Not only that way, in industries, okay, when you went any pharmaceutical industries, that pharmaceutical industries are having a lot of reactors. That reactors always rotating. By the rotating, lot of sound will become. Nothing but reactor, nothing but one grinder madri. Okay, so whatever it is, jet planes and rockets take off time, a lot of sound will be liberated. That sound approximately 150 decibels. Okay, if 150 decibels are increased, mean our tolerance capacity is getting struggle. Okay, so finally it is a problematic to our. Then next one more thing, loudspeakers and music hearing a prolonged time, for a prolonged time, that is one of the reason to the noise pollution. And traffic, especially every day we are facing this one, traffic pollution, traffic noise. Okay, when you stand in the one junction signal place, always our Indian people are showing the something, pressing the horn. By the horn, lot of noise. Along with that, always they do not stop their engines, okay, vehicle engines. Continues that onwards, a lot of noise pollution will be liberated. And then industries and factories. Already I said industries, some of the thermal industries, some of the pharmaceutical industries onwards, a lot of noise will be liberating. That and all create the change in the atmosphere. That create the something imbalancity of our human beings' life. Okay, these and all causing of the noise pollution. Okay, then if the noise pollution happened, it will affect the, how it will effect of the noise pollution. That effects are, one is, if you continuously hearing of heavy loud sounds by your ears, it will causes the hearing disability in human beings. So that is one of the reason we should not listen the continuously songs with keeping of earphones. If you kept earphones in the ear, when you increasing of your phone sound, okay, it will indicate one thing, high volume decibels are create the damages of your ears. That notice will be we will get in our phones, correct only na. So noise pollution create the hearing disability. And then the sound levels are higher than the 150 decibels, damage the eardrum. 11th standard you studied external ear, inner part is a eardrum, okay, nothing but tympanium. The tympanium will get a problematic. And then if the sleep more noise is producing in our surrounding, means we are not at get a peaceful mind. Lack of peaceful mind, sleeplessness will be there, okay, then increasing of our heartbeat. These and all we will get it at your houses. When you are keeping the home theater, okay, when you are increasing of the home theater sound, automatically your heartbeat also will be changed, because of the sound wavelength, or that sound, that base of the sound will show the effect on our heart. So our heart beat is fluctuated by our sound. Okay, so that is a thing. When you are doing the meditation time, there is no any sound in the much more sound in our environment. So that's why the heart rate will be decreased, heartbeat rate will be decreased, whatever it is. So that is a thing. Or one more example here, when you slept any place, suddenly one big sound you heard, automatically you are wake upping from the sleep, and then it will create the lot of fluctuation of heartbeat, because of our heartbeat is fluctuated by the sounds. And then altered breathing also, this is the one of the thing. And stress, it create the stress. And then psychological disorders. Some of the, if the suddenly any person heard the biggest sound, big sound, okay, unfortunately that person may be chance to become a mental fellow because of intolerable sounds hearing after we cannot control our behavior, okay, because simply see, when you are heard a long big sound nearby your ear, then automatically your response, our reaction is given to the one of the way of the violence manner. You cannot control your behavior because of your behavior is also influenced by the sound. So these are all normal effects. How to control? How to control these effects? Control of the measure to the noise pollution. These things are sound absorbent metals should be used in the our surrounding places. This wise I will tell. Okay, one example, our room, our classroom is maintained by the some of the wooden furniture. In that time resound will not come, echo will not produce. Instead of that, the only in the room inside there is no any wooden things, okay, simply it is empty. On the time when you enter the inside of that empty room, okay, in that time what will happen, what you are speak, that sound will be produced, echo sound will become, okay. That is the reason we should be keep the maintain the in the room inside or any hall should be a proper sound absorbing substances. That is only one of the reason when you went the cinema theater wall, they are pasted something wooden particle or waste particles, waste products of the some rice waste product onwards, they are create the one of the attai madri substances, they are maintain the wall like, okay, a roof of the home theaters. These are all made up of with some of the wooden particles, wooden furniture. That wooden furniture will absorb the lot of things, okay. That is the thing. When you construct the anything house without any instrument, without any things in the house, that house will be produce a lot of resound. If you keeping the all the home furniture at your inside of the house, that the inside of the house does not produce any echo. That is only reason, because of that particles, I mean particles means furniture, these and all absorbing the sound. And then by muffing noise and suppressing noise, planning for more trees, okay, right. Here in the atmosphere wise, the heavy sound want to decrease, that mean that wise we want to planting heavy plants. When we are planting the heavy plants, plants are having the more absorbing capacity, sound absorbing capacity, okay. That is a reason, okay, that we want to do. And then a specific zones avoid the produce of sound, that is a horn free zones. In that, this is one of the rule in traffic, okay. When you going through any vehicle, if you see in the some of the school zones and hospital zones, in the left side they are indicate this is the school zone, should not horn. They are giving the one horn symbol, and then they are maintain the one strike off on the horn symbol. That's a horn free zone. We should not press the horn, and we should not produce any sounds in the horn free zones. Horn free zones are belongs to schools and hospitals. These and all noise pollution. What I said Nanna here, unwanted sound, it will create the disturb the physiological and psychological the behaving characteristic of the human being. A amendment in the air pollution in the 1987, normal audible sense 0 decibels to and then 180 decibels, but threshold audible sound noise is 120 decibels. If it is increased the 150 decibels, it is a very harm to the human beings. That 150 decibel sounds are producing from the jet planes or rockets, and some of the loudspeakers also create the noise pollution, traffic noise, industries, factories onwards producing noise. These are the causes of the noise. And then how it will affect the noise pollution to disturb the human life and remaining organisms life. How to control? Up to now we discuss about this one only. Now come with water pollution, okay. Then air pollution completed, and then noise pollution completed, then come with water pollution. Here the total universal, not universal, sorry, don't take it only earth. Earth wise, the total 100% of the water, 97% of the water is a sea water, salt water, and then 3% of the water fresh water. Okay, then in this either any water, it happened undesirable change of the water bodies. Water bodies means whether rivers, canals, ponds, lakes, and sea and oceans. These are all water bodies. Which are the places are containing with the water, such a things we call as the water bodies. So that water bodies we classified into the sea water, I mean saline water, fresh water. Only 3% of the water. This water can recyclable, correct? Recycle, water recyclable. How the cycle is happens, we know. Whatever. As like protection of the water pollution, I mean to avoid of or controlling of the water pollution, our Indian government water prevention and controlling of the Water Act in the 1974. Okay, nothing but natural resources. By the naturally what we are getting for successful life, such a things by the activities of the human beings, those are all getting problem. So we should be give a proper precautions to avoid of that pollution. So here water prevention and controlling of water pollution prevent, and then controlling of the Water Act in the 1974, they did one act means one GO, everybody should be follow. Then how the water pollution is happen, sources of the water pollution. In the water pollution, natural way of water pollution is there, and anthropogenic. Anthropology means regarding study about the human evolution. Here anthropogenic means what are the pollution things are delivered by or created by man made. Okay, that create the problem to the water or create the water pollution, that is anthropogenic or man made. Naturally sometimes water polluted by the natural events also. How it will be there? See, natural things, how it will be means soil, when the heavy rains fall down after, that rain will be moves, wash out by the drain into the downwards, it create the streams. When water is moving to the downwards, automatically along with water, up topmost soil of the any place, that clay or silt, whatever it is, that and all will be wash out by the water. That is nothing but soil erosion, correct na? That soil erosion, finally that minerals containing, salt containing, that particles are everything drained along with water and then stagnated one place, water salinity will increase. That create the fresh water will maybe spoiled by the, I mean converted into the their salinity. That is a natural, it is happened, not at any human made. Okay, leaching of the minerals, that is also okay, leaching of the minerals. I mean heavy rocks, they are melt out by the heavy rains, then that minerals are mixing with water and then they drain into and gathering one place. That is also problem to the water pollution. And falling of the organic materials. For example, one pond, nearby one pond, one tree is there. Unfortunately, that tree is fall down into that pond. Okay, that leaves, that tree parts or everything will be decomposing after they are seen into the water body. So organic matters are create the something problem, any dead organisms in the any water bodies. So these and all naturally maybe there is a chance to create the water pollution. Okay, then come with the next anthropogenic. By the human activities, some of the domestic sewages. Domestic means a household, I mean our daily wise activities onwards. If what are the waste things are producing, that waste thing create the water pollution, that we called as a domestic sewages. Now that a domestic, not only that a domestic sewages, every day we are bathing with water. Along with when we are doing bathing, we are using the some of the soaps, okay, facial soaps or detergents, not for bathing. When you are washing time of the cloth, we are using the detergent. Washing of vessels also detergents we are using. So these and all some of the problems. And then run of the agriculture, but getting of the more yield, we are using the agriculture products. What are the agriculture products? Fertilizers and pesticides. Fertilizers, by the using of the artificial fertilizers, they are very fast growth will be there. Pesticides, pest killing substances we call it a pesticide. Side means always a kill, suicide, self killing, pesticide, okay, whatever it is, a pest killing substance. So these and all by over usage or not at over usage, little usage also by the rains, it is drained out from the plant's surface and by the soil, and then it will be drained into mixing into the water bodies. That water will be getting toxic nature. That only. Fertilizers and pesticides, industrial waste, directly some of the industrial waste also directly without purification they are released into the water. Those and all also causing the problem to the water pollution. Here domestic sewage, it is a very most major water pollutant of the fresh water, not marine water. Okay, because of every house onwards a lot of waste in the form of the water, okay, drained from that household onwards, it is creating a problem. But what is the thing in this domestic sewage means that domestic sewage contains the biodegradable organic matter. Biodegradable. When you are cleaning your vessels, along with that cleaning time, soap, detergent, minerals containing that chemical substances, along with that some of the food items or everything will be mixing in the water, and then that will be present mixing in the water, then that will be recyclable, biodegradable, okay. But it create the damage of their water pH, okay. So it is a by using of the microorganisms degradable, but it is a damage the nature of the body, nature of the water body. Nature of the water body. So these and all. Then from the sources of the house and hospitals, lot of contaminated substances, nothing but needles, RLs, cotton. When the cleaning of that any wound, that cotton contains a lot of blood. Along with the blood, lot of pathogens also is there. Blood is a major sources of the growing of microorganisms and pathogens. That type of contaminated things, when you are thrown into the water bodies will be spoiled. But unknowingly, if that type of water is used for drinking or used for some other purpose, it will causes the typhoid, cholera, jaundice, dysentery. These and all causing by the natural contamination of water, natural contaminated water, okay. So that is one of the thing, domestic sewage. And then industrial waste. In this industrial waste, petroleum and paper manufacturing product, here in Salem Erode, paper manufacturing factory is there. From that paper manufacturing factory onwards, lot of after crude they are taking after, it has a lot of undesirable waste. That undesirable waste they are released into the Kaveri river, okay, or any water body. So automatically that water body will be spoiled out. So here some of the petroleum industries and paper manufacturing factories and metal industries and chemical manufacturing, nothing but pharmaceuticals, these and all. These industries onwards, several substances will release. That substances may be lot of substances, chemical substances, toxic heavy metals. That toxic heavy metals are maybe mercury and cadmium, copper, lead. These heavy metals are released into the directly without purification, that they are drained into the water. That water will be, nature will be different. It will create the problem to the water aquatic animals, or which people are using that type of contaminated water, those people also will be affected by these contaminated water. And then one more thing, oil spills and thermal water waste, this is also some of the problem. These and all physical industrial pollutants, okay. Nothing but one big ships are there transporting the oil, okay, petroleum tankers. Unfortunately, oil spills or accident happen, that ship will be seen in the sea, okay. But here one thing will happen, when the sea is sink in the water, petroleum or any oil substances are heterogeneous substances. Nothing but it does not never mix with water. Sea water, along with sea water, it will not. They are creating the one layer above the sea water or water bodies. So aquatic organisms does not get oxygen supply, because of it create the one layer, so that we know now, because of it is a light density is a very lightweight. So oil is making the one layer, so that only it is happened by the some of the accidental chances. That is also water pollution. And then thermal water. By the thermal water, turbines are rotating, they are producing that heat, electricity. When the by the using of the water, when they are producing the electricity, the water will get lot of temperature, I mean water temperature will increase. That increased temperature or temperatured water, they are released into the direct normal water bodies. Mean normal water bodies are having the different type of organisms. That organisms tolerance capacity regarding the temperature is one type. Here stenothermal organisms. Do you know stenothermal organisms? We already discussed in organism and population type. Stenothermal organisms means nothing but which of the organisms are tolerate the narrow range of temperature variation. Suddenly, by the thermal water waste, then onwards, by the adding of these high temperature of water, they can't able to tolerate that much of temperature variation. It leads to the death of that organism or something problem to the organism. So here I mentioned these high temperature water is create the problem to the stenothermal organisms. Stenothermal organisms mean that three stenothermal organisms cannot tolerate the much more temperature variations. Okay, so these are the some of the problems, effect of the water pollution. Okay, and then by the water pollution, some of the things we want to discuss. A very important thing in the NEET level, these are the major concepts of asking the several questions. By the water pollution, it will show something effect of the different organisms and abiotic things also. Biochemical oxygen demand. One is the biochemical oxygen. That means dissolved oxygen in the water. It is an effect tells about dissolved oxygen in the water. And eutrophication. Eutrophication means one pond within the several years that a pond will become a land, converted into the land. How it will be there? And algal blooms, overgrowth of the algae in the water bodies, why it is causes, finally result what it is. And biological magnification. Biological magnification mean if any toxic substances, because of here toxic metals are releasing from some industries now, these toxic metals are mixing in the water media, that aquatic organisms are utilizing the toxic materials, then it will enter into the food chain of the aquatic organisms. How it will affect to the aquatic organisms, that will tells about biological magnification. Along with that, Ganga action plan. That Ganga action plan, how to purified our river. Okay, one of the holy river, how it is purified by the activity of the Ganga action plan. Not only that, recently 1 year back, one of the person in the Tamil Nadu, that Jaggi Vasudev is propagated to one or started one activity regarding the calling of river Kaveri to give the protection of the Kaveri river. Okay, so some of the activities giving the strength into the our natural water bodies, that rivers, especially Ganga river and then Kaveri river. Okay, Nana, in this video we discussed about noise pollution and water pollution. Water pollution, how it will causes. Then next continuation, effect of the water pollution regarding these things we will continue in the next video.